Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch from ChatGPT to Claude without losing your memory. So log into your account to Claude AI, then head over here to the profile icon and choose settings. Open the capabilities. So capabilities right over here. And find import memory from other AI providers. So you will see it right here, import memory from other AI providers. And click Start Import. All right, click the button to copy the native extraction prompt generated by Claude. So this is this one right here. Click on Copy. Now what we are going to do is switch tabs. We will go here to ChatGPT. Okay, so now we will select thinking model right here, plus icon, and then deep research, and paste in what we have copied in Claude. Now what we need to do is just send this enable, and now we need to wait a few moments. Now here we get this export user memory. So okay, and hit start, and now it will start researching. All right, so now we need to copy this, what we got here. So copy, and we need to go back here and paste it right here in this Claude's memory and add to memory. Wait a few moments, and now we can see what Claude learned about us. And yeah, now we can wait. Basically, it can't do much because I don't have here much of an chat history. So yeah, but you will get here. So what you can do uh, is you can also go in ChatGPT to the settings. Then you can go here to the data controls, and now you can export data and click export. You will need to check your email account for message containing a download link. You will download this link, and the file will be labeled with JSON, conversation, or chat.html. So you will not copy paste it into your Claude, but you will need to go, you just prompt search my ChatGPT historical archive for our conversation about project specification, and you will get these informations. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next